What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to change your Discord username on the mobile app. So as you can see here, I have the Discord app opened. Let's go to the profile by tapping on the icon on the bottom right corner of the screen here, and then press on the account option. As you can see, the first option is the username. If I press on it, I have here the option to change my username to anything like new username. But as you can see, the hashtag numbers don't change. Only the username itself can be changed. And when you enter your new username, just press save and you'll be asked to verify your password, to enter your password to verify your account. And then when you press done, your username will be changed.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.